In this video, we will explain the interface between morphology and syntax, the differences they have, and how they relate. As teachers, we must have a good knowledge of morphology and syntax of English grammar. As a general rule, teachers need to contextualize any new language items they introduce. This is particularly important for verb tenses, which form a large part of any grammatical syllabus. This helps the learners to understand the meaning of the grammatical items and to explore its use. Let's begin with what is morphology. Morphology is the study of forms, or the study of how words are put together. In morphology, we have morphemes. A morpheme is the smallest unit of the language that has its own meaning. There are two types of morphemes: free morpheme, which is the root, and in this one we can find lexical, which are verbs, adjectives, and nouns. These are considered open class because we can add more to language. In these, we also have functional morphemes, which are the function words like conjunctions, prepositions, and articles. These are considered to be closed class because we cannot add more of these to language. The other morphemes are bound, which are considered to be stem. First, we have the derivational, which are the ones that change categories. For example, we have the word hair, which is a noun. If we add less, the word turns into hairless, which is now an adjective. In bound morphemes, we also have inflectional, which are used to indicate the aspects of a word. In English, there are only 8 inflectional morphemes. Now, I will explain what syntax is, and the function it has in grammar. The difference between syntax and morphology is that syntax is the one that studies the form of the sentences. As I said before, morphology is the one that studies the words. Types of phrases. We have adjective, adverb, verb, and prepositional phrases. In our first example, we have an adjective phrase. Lily is smart. Smart would be the adjective. An adverb. She recently finished her homework. Recently is the head word, therefore, the adverb. In our verb phrase, we have they play soccer. Play is the verb, therefore, this is considered to be a verb phrase. In prepositional, we have in the fridge. In would be the preposition, therefore, a prepositional phrase. Structure classes. Structure class words are words that signal how the form class words relate to each other in a sentence.